This is a demonstration for 3.md.2, Estimate and Measure Volume. For this activity, you will need 10 containers labeled A through J. The containers you use might look different from those in the picture, and that's okay. You will also need a 1-liter measuring cup. A measuring cup is sometimes called a graduated cylinder or a beaker. You'll notice that this measuring cup doesn't actually say the words 1 liter. But if we look at it, it says 1,000 milliliters. We know from our previous learning that 1,000 milliliters is the same as 1 liter. So we know when we use this measurement tool, 1,000 milliliters is the same as 1 liter. Finally, you'll need a copy of the recording sheet. You can fill in the recording sheet on a regular paper copy, or you can fill it in on your iPad using Explain Everything. Let's look at the directions at the top of the recording sheet together. They say, using the liter measuring cup as a benchmark, estimate whether each container holds less than, more than, or about the same as 1 liter. Circle your choice in the estimated volume column of the chart below. After making an estimate for each object, use water to check your estimates. Write your findings in the actual volume column of the chart. Let's start with container A. In order to estimate the volume of container A, I'm going to pretend that the measuring cup has 1 liter of water in it. That would mean that I'm imagining that the measuring cup has water all the way up to the 1,000 milliliter line, which we know is the same as 1 liter. Now I'm going to imagine taking that 1 liter of water in the measuring cup and pouring it into container A. This will help me estimate, do I think that container will hold all of that liter of water? Is it going to be less than a liter of water? Is it going to hold the whole liter and still have space left over? This will help me make a decision for my recording sheet. Let's record our estimate for container A. If I think container A is going to hold less than 1 liter of water, then in the estimated volume column, I'm going to circle less than. If I think container A is going to hold the entire liter of water and still have room left over to hold more, then I'm going to circle more than. Finally, if I think container A is going to hold the entire liter of water and not have room left over to hold anything else, I'm going to circle about 1 liter. Once you have recorded your estimates for all 10 containers, you can take your liter measuring cup and water and check the actual volume of each container. After you measure the volume of each container, you can record in the actual volume column of the chart whether your container held less than 1 liter, more than 1 liter, or about 1 liter. Please be careful when you're working with water. If you're using your iPad to record your findings, you'll want to set your iPad on a surface that's far away from your water. Water damages electronics, and we don't want to risk your iPad being damaged. Have fun!